That Supreme Court showdown on Capitol Hill. Democrats now have the 41 votes they need to filibuster the nomination of Judge Neil Gorsuch, but Republicans are poised to change the rules and use that so-called nuclear option, which means Gorsuch could get on the court with just 51 votes instead of 60. Our congressional correspondent Mary Bruce is on Capitol Hill with all the latest. Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, George. Partisan fights have become the norm up here, but this could be a new low. This showdown is so bitter that by the end of the week, it could fundamentally change the way Congress does business. Now, here's the state of play. Democrats are so opposed to Neil Gorsuch, they're now willing to do something they've almost never done before, filibuster his confirmation. But Republicans are having none of it. They are vowing to bypass Democrats, even if it means changing the Senate rules to allow just a simple majority to confirm a Supreme Court nominee. But, George, there's a reason this is known as the nuclear option. This rule change could have a lasting impact on the bench that stretches far beyond this current administration. In fact, even Republicans who support the drastic move are warning that it could make judges even more ideological, not less.
Hard to know all the consequences, but one way or the other, Republicans say that Judge Gorsuch will be on the Supreme Court by the end of the week. On another front, it seems like the White House and some of their opponents have rekindled these talks over getting Obamacare replaced.
Yeah, George, progress, but still no deal. That's the word coming from Freedom House caucus members who met here last night with the vice president. The administration is now trying to revitalize these talks with hopes of wooing those ultra-conservative members who, of course, blocked the president's health care plan just 2 weeks ago. Now, on the table seems to be a plan that would allow states some flexibility to opt out of certain Obamacare provisions, including those essential health benefits, things like wellness visits, mental health treatment, even emergency services. But there is still no new legislation on the table and no agreement has been made.
Right,
George.
and that kind of deal could cost them votes on the other side, so we could be far away from any resolution there. Mary Bruce, thanks very much.